Hi everyone, this is AMRC. I'm Alex, and today I have this mini Maule, the Qidi, what is it, 560, or I don't know, has a bunch of different names. Got it off Banggood. If you want, you can check out the unboxing and short assembly video, my initial opinions on it. Yeah, it's definitely, the finish at least is not UMX, E-flite UMX quality. I was hoping it would look a bit better, but if it flies good, maybe I'll refinish it and paint it red as I initially wanted it, but it was not in stock. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Oh, there it took off. Well, it's flying. Man, this radio feels so cheap. There's almost no tension in the springs. Okay, wind picked up a bit. Nothing too bad. A car coming, so I'll stay a bit further from the road. The rudder is effective. That was a rudder only turn. Straight to the right. Doesn't seem to want to turn to the right as much. Okay, so that's 1 minute gone. Sort of. Banks pretty hard for the 6G mode. But more to the left, it seems. I don't know if it has to do with how it initialized. I try to have it as level as possible. Sorry if it's a bit too far. I'm trying to give me some space. It's a new airplane. Ooh. Okay. Let's flip it into the AS3X-ish mode. Oh, didn't crash, so I think it needs a bit more trim to the right on the ailerons. Oh, it's really far away, but at least we know it won't lose signal. I'll try and get closer. Sorry. I'll tell you what, it's decent. Radio doesn't do it justice at all. Let's try and get some altitude and see if we can do a roll. Yeah, that does it. Might need to adjust the control horns a bit. And loop. I did that also. I didn't try the stun button. Well, I think that works in the 6G mode. Flipped it back to 6G. Let's try the stunts. I find that silly. Does it do anything? Oh yeah. It's all on its own. Almost a loop. That's half a loop. Okay, let's try a roll. Oh, did it. Don't lose that much altitude. Okay, now let's turn everything off. It's sorry, so far, guys. Yeah, it's banking to the left quite a bit. Let me put it in 3G mode. Seems to be a bit better. So yeah, I'll definitely need to fiddle with it a bit. And there's almost just a bit of right rudder. While to the left, I can turn the plane pretty quick just with the rudder. And I do think I noticed it has some rudder mixed in with the ailerons. Just a bit. That's nice. For something this cheap. This was about $80 shipped from Banggood. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I was really excited when I saw this, especially because they say you can hook up a Spectrum, a remote receiver or satellite, something like that. I'm not really experienced with those. Back into 6G, and basically you can fly it with a Spectrum radio. And I did go online on RC groups. I saw someone was able to do it, I think with a Lemon RC satellite. So yeah, I'd probably give that a try. It's not a bad plane. Is that 4 or 5 minutes? Yeah, who cares? I enjoy flying it. It's not bad. Was it losing power? I think it was. I might try the 800 milliamp batteries from my Twin Otter. Need an adapter or to change the plug on this. Okay, let's try landing. Ooh, a bit too high. Let's try some close passes. Maybe you can actually see it in flight. Yeah, so being brushless, even if it's only 1S, and that supposed Spectrum, oh man, where did it go? That supposed Spectrum compatibility sealed the deal for me. If the red color would have been available, would have been great, but all set are for blue for now. I said I might repaint it. And you know what? It's a decent little plane for the money. I'm happy with it. Not sorry I got it. I'll try binding it to Spectrum sometime. And yeah, it's definitely not E-flite UMX quality, but for half the price, you get more than half the plane you would get from E-flite. So all in all, it's a good plane to start with, I would say. Maybe not the best, but as a second plane, or if you have someone with experience to help you, it could be a first plane. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Really appreciate all your comments. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.